Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure.
Okay, welcome to day 9 of our sourdough starter. And let's have a look what we got here. Ooh, hello. This is interesting. I did mention yesterday we were kind of in a dead zone as far as our sourdough is moving, but day 9, look at that. We got some bubbles forming in there. That's exactly what we want. That yeast has now taken over. So I mentioned yesterday how the first 7 days the bacteria and the yeast are kind of fighting for dominance, I guess, and yeast really starts feeding when that bacteria starts to die. So let's have a look inside. Looks like we've had a bit of a rise too. Yeah. So, yep, gone up a little bit. Let's have a little line here. Just a little bit on that one. So yeah, oh yeah, we've had a pretty good rise there. So that's good. So looks like we've won back our starter. As I said, we had a couple of days there where literally nothing was really going on. So this is day 9, so tomorrow will be day 10. We should now get, hopefully we're going to start getting some consistent rises now. So between day 10 and 14, that's where we want to start seeing the rises going up and down. So I'm going to take these 2 kids in to get them fed. Then we're going to put them back to bed. And I shall see you again tomorrow for day 10.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.